Grabbed my camera.
Hi.
Came back down. Hi. The cow's not there.
I want to be in the camera actually. I can be the cow.
Okay.
This is fucking blow your brains out.
Alright, so just got finished with the run. It's not fun running in Nepal. But today, because the saw's broken, I want to give you a little tour of the house that I've been staying at for the past couple of weeks. But I feel like I should probably clean myself up a little bit. Got some Dalbot. And of course, show you some of the things that we do day to day. For example, where we sleep, which is right. So like this room, that's Cece and I share. Let's see here. Here is the workstation and the backpacks. This is where I sleep. That's my mosquito netting. This is actually it's a waterproof dry bag, but it works great as a laundry bag where you can put your laundry in there and it doesn't stink up the rest of your bag. And the toiletry kit. This one's made by Osprey, which I love. I have packs and all kinds of stuff from them. This is my handmade incense burner that I made with my hands. You know, the usual allergy medicine, some ointment stuff, some bug stuff, some bananas. Gotta have peanut butter. Especially RM's healthy peanut butter. That's $165, which is like $1.50. Cool broom. Cool one pant leg.
Yeah.
Some of the projects that we're working on, or a project that I'm working on, is this music room. So this is what I've gotten done so far. I did that, did all this, wonderful craftsmanship. There used to be a banister right here, but Cece and I tore it out with our bare hands. And then inside here, so basically you get the wood, it's wet and moldy and basically garbage. And then we have to plane it down with this planer and this planer to where it's smooth. And then we have to groove it like so on one side and then the opposite groove on the other side so that they overlap each other and water and wind and whatnot can't get through. My favorite and surely the most interesting place is the kitchen. Aminos. Namaste. Namaste. He doesn't talk much. So this is where we eat. There's wood for the fire. The Dalbot gets cooked on this thing. Where I'm standing is actually where we eat. We have these little chairs that we sit on, and then we eat on the floor. They eat with their hands. I have eaten with my hands. I did in Africa, but for some reason there's a difference when the food is dry. as opposed to wet. So dal bhat is basically soup, is dal, and bhat is rice. And you mix the two together. Where we hang out. Look at this. Looks like there's a storm a-brewing. There's mountains right there. Oh, there's some. Namaste. Just goats everywhere. How we dispose our rubbish. Smells really bad. Now I want to make sure that I follow this up with maybe a little disclaimer that I don't necessarily agree with a lot of the things that go on in places like this. For example, I just dumped the trash right there in the middle of like some of the most beautiful nature that I've ever seen. So it's not up to me to tell them what they can and cannot do with their land. I think they burn it there, which is okay, and they're not dumping it in the water, which is good. But the fact that they're even putting it in one location is good enough for me. Seeing how they are usually with their trash, they just throw it on the ground. It's really sad. I saw the same thing in Africa. Just nobody, I don't know. I've asked people why you do it, why they do it, and no one really has an answer other than they just say someone will come get it. But walking through the streets here, I wouldn't really call them streets, they're more like carved walkways in mud. But oh, look at that. It's definitely raining right there. Oh, can you see all of those clouds? I better get back before it starts raining on me. And of course, ow, the sun is hot. Namaste.
Namaste.
As you can see, there's only 1, 2, 3, 4 springs for, I don't even know how many people, probably 50 in this one little spot. The spring is where we get water, it's where we wash clothes, and it's also where a lot of us bathe. And by us, I'm including myself, because I prefer to bathe in the open air. There's something about it. I've never done it before. I mean, I've done it camping, but not like in the middle of a village where I'm just like completely exposed. I mean, obviously I'm wearing underwear, but like I'm bathing myself and people are walking up and talking to me while I'm bathing. So I'm not to that level yet, so when it's someone's bathing and I need to get water, I'll just chill out, wait, not bother them. See what I mean? It's always super busy. Yeah. So it's rainy, and I usually go to the village for lunch, but today I'm gonna make some oatmeal with peanut butter and bananas and some like spices. The family's here. This is Druba. Say hello.
Hello.
Hello, YouTube. This is my favorite person on the whole planet. This is Manuka. Say hi.
Hello.
That's Minos.
Manoj.
Manos.
No, Mino.
Manos. No Minos. Manos. Okay. What are you eating? Soybean?
Yes.
How do you say soybean in Nepali?
Batash.
Hmm?
Batamas.
Patamash?
Batamas.
Tiksa, tiksa. So I think that guy just walked down here. Did he just walk down here to sell stuff?
Yeah.
Kati paracha?
Kati parsa? 200.
200?
Say.
200.
Duisae is 200? Duisae was 200. They just paid 200 rupees for a scrub brush. That some random guy walked down the hill to sell them. So that's the village life. And of course, doing dishes. Now, I know this seems it's actually kind of gross, like how they have their dishes set up here. You're like in the dirt and you just use this same like scratching pad, this thing. I actually went and bought them a new, like a whole thing of new scouring like pads, and it's it's gross to like my standards and to probably most of your standards, but it's obviously not that bad because people aren't dying and people aren't constantly sick. It's just, it's one of those things you just gotta get used to, I guess. It's what it is. It's what I do. Huh?
You wash pot and you...
I'm washing and making a movie, yeah. I'm showing everyone where I'm from that it's different because we don't wash dishes like this.
You like the dishes?
Hmm?
You like dishes?
Do I like dishes? No, I hate it.
No.
Nobody likes to do dishes.
Washing.
Yeah, but I like clean things.
It's clean.
So, very clean, yeah. Do you like these? The new ones?
Yes.
Yeah? Good. Well, we have a clean pan. Then you take the dishes over here and you lay them on the dirty step. It's Dalbot time. Hey everybody. Namaste.
Namaste.
Today is a special day because we have chicken curry.
Chicken curry with rice.
With rice. With bhat. I'm super excited. Yeah.
बस यताको कचौको दाल हाल्दैछ त्यो दाल खान्छ सब फिनिस गर्छ हो पासो दाल फिनिस गर्ने हो त्यो हैन हो त्यो दाल फिनिस गर्ने हो आज पनि त्यो ल्याउ तिमी खा
Upsana. Upsana.
हजुर भन्दै न
Malay Maya Gara.
मलाई माया गर नि गर्दिन मलाई माया हजुर के say?
She hates me.
I am immortal, I'll never fade away. I'm a legacy that lives beyond.